Hey everybody, it's Ben here, and I'm having trouble with my 2013 Tesla Model S. I bought this about a year ago as a project vehicle. It did not run at the time. I took off the battery pack, fixed the issue, which was water getting in by the main fuse, put it back together, put it in the car. It's been running great for about a year until now. And the problem I have is with the BMS system. And if we look down here on the errors of the vehicle, BMS W107 and BMS F107, SW cell voltage sensor. Now that's a problem because essentially what it is the battery pack is having an issue with the signals in the BMS. And what happens then is the battery says, I'm not going to turn on, I'm not going to connect those main contactors from the battery pack to the car. And then in these cars, there's a lot going on kind of behind the scenes while your car's just parked there. There's kind of a heavy parasitic load on the 12-volt system. And so if the high voltage battery pack isn't connected to the 12-volt, topping it off, kind of like the way an alternator would, next thing you know, your 12-volt battery is dead and you're sitting dead in the water. So in fact, I had to attach a 12-volt charger to the front jump starting posts of this car to be able to get it to power on and check at those errors. So the big issue with those errors is they're inside the battery pack. And that means I have to drop the battery pack, open it up, and inspect every one of those battery modules that are inside. And it's either going to be a BMS wire, and I think there's 5 of those on each cell module, or it could be 2 little tiny surface mount capacitors on the battery management board. So either way, this is going to be a lot of work. I gotta jack up the car, take off the bolts, drop the battery pack, open it up, inspect every battery module out of this. So I'm not looking forward to this, but the good news is might have some videos in the near future of me taking apart a battery pack, and together we can learn more about what's inside, what's in the guts of a Tesla Model S battery pack. And in the meantime, I'll be hitting the forums for BMS 107.